Today, we're putting two giants of the Middle European winter tire segment head-to-head. The Continental WinterContact TS 870, launched in 2021, faces off against Bridgestone's brand new Blizzak 6, replacing the highly acclaimed LM005. But can the Blizzak 6 dethrone the reigning champion? Let's find out. Throughout this comparison, you'll see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Continental WinterContact TS 870 set as the reference point at 100%. When it comes to wet conditions, the Blizzak 6 makes a strong first impression. It stops 3.9 meters shorter than the WinterContact TS 870, with a braking distance of 54 meters. Wet handling follows suit, with the Blizzak edging ahead at 76 kilometers per hour with an advantage of 1 kilometer per hour over the TS 870. However, the Continental fights back with better aquaplaning resistance, resisting aquaplaning at 84.3 kilometers per hour, while the Blizzak lags slightly at 81 kilometers per hour. Now, let's talk snow. The Continental WinterContact TS 870 excels here, stopping 0.5 meters shorter than the Blizzak 6 in snow braking. It also generates a slightly stronger pulling force, with 2,520 newtons of snow traction compared to the Blizzak's 2,512 newtons. Snow handling shows a similar trend, with the TS 870 holding a slight edge at 60 kilometers per hour. When it comes to longevity, the WinterContact TS 870 shows its strength. It lasts 8% longer, with a total mileage of 47,970 kilometers compared to the Blizzak's 44,300 kilometers. Even with Bridgestone's improvements, Continental still leads in tire lifespan. On dry roads, both tires perform neck and neck, with nearly identical braking and handling speeds. The WinterContact TS 870 is 1.3 decibels quieter, offering a more comfortable ride. It also leads in efficiency with a lower rolling resistance coefficient value of 7.8 compared to the Blizzak 6 coefficient value of 8.8. So, which tire is the better choice? The Bridgestone Blizzak 6 excels in wet conditions, while the Continental WinterContact TS 870 excels in snow, mileage, and rolling resistance. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.